up, beautiful people? I hope you had a happy 4th. Hope you spent it with your friends and your family, and you didn't blow any fingers off with the fireworks. Hope all is well. I just want to make a quick video on a little tool cart I made. And yeah, check it out. I had this pan laying around my garage. I had these casters for a very long time. I bolted them on the bottom. I left the studs up. I can hold all the hardware when I'm working on my lawn equipment or my motorcycle. And it rolls really, really good, actually. I was surprised. I think it's going to be perfect because I have a concrete floor in here, and I'm always looking for my tools, so I think this will help me out a lot. Make random stuff out of the random stuff. You never know what you need it for. Have a wonderful day, everybody.